order the castle, I'm going to show you the closest opening to castle first. So you'll do that. I'm sorry, I knocked that down. And then what you'll do is move that. And then the next move will be that. And then you're in our castling position. So if it's your turn, your king would hop over 2 spaces and the rook would hop right over. And that's how you castle number 1. But you can only do that if the king has not moved and the rook that you're castling with are not moved. And then, so let me put this back. All of this, I'm going to show you another thing that you can castle. And then another way to do it is the queen would be out of here, the bishop would be out of here, and the knight would be out of here. So this time it would only move 2 spaces, the rook would hop right over. And that's how you castle. But same rules with the other one, and that's pretty much how you do it. And before I end this video, I hope you like and subscribe. Peace!